can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through.
Don't skip this video because we've got 3 absolutely mind-blowing custom builds at the end that will completely change how you see the Kia K5. What's up, gearheads and style enthusiasts? Welcome back to Steel and Style Garage channel, where we transform ordinary rides into extraordinary machines. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Kia K5 modifications. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one.
This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man.
We've explored everything from classic K5 models to the latest variants, testing different modification styles that'll make your jaw drop. Before we jump into these incredible transformations, smash that subscribe button, hit the like if you're ready to be amazed, and drop a comment telling us which modification style you'd choose for your K5. Let's get this garage rolling.
Gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get
The JDM stance transformation turns your K5 into a street-sweeping masterpiece. We're talking about dropping this sedan so low it practically kisses the asphalt, but in the most beautiful way possible. The key components include air suspension, or coilovers, that can achieve that perfect wheel-to-fender gap, wide-body fender flares to accommodate those meaty 19-inch wheels, and a front lip spoiler that gives it that aggressive shark-like appearance. Don't forget the carbon fiber hood with functional vents and side skirts that create a seamless flow from front to rear. The interior gets JDM-specific touches like Recaro racing seats, a short throw shifter, and that classic rising sun emblem on the dashboard. The camber settings are crucial here. We're looking for that perfect negative camber that screams, "I'm built for the culture," not just the track. Who says a Korean sedan can't channel pure American muscle attitude? This modification style is all about aggressive lines, bold graphics, and that unmistakable muscle car stance. We're installing a custom front splitter that extends the nose, paired with racing stripes that run the entire length of the vehicle. The wheel setup features classic 5-spoke muscle car rims in 20-inch diameter, wrapped in performance tires that can handle the increased power. Under the hood, we're looking at cold air intake systems, performance exhaust with that deep rumble, and ECU tuning to maximize the K5's turbocharged potential. The rear gets a functional spoiler and quad exhaust tips that announce your presence from blocks away. Interior modifications include bucket seats with racing harnesses and a sport steering wheel that feels like it belongs in a Camaro or Mustang. European tuning brings that perfect balance of elegance and performance to the K5. This style focuses on subtle, yet impactful modifications that enhance both aesthetics and functionality. We're talking about a lowered suspension setup that maintains comfort while improving handling, paired with lightweight forged wheels in a classic multi-spoke design. The body kit is understated but effective. A front lip, side skirts, and rear diffuser that improves aerodynamics without screaming for attention. Performance modifications include upgraded brakes with larger rotors and high-performance pads, sport-tuned exhaust system that provides a refined growl, and suspension components that transform the handling characteristics. The interior receives premium leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim pieces, and upgraded infotainment systems. It's about creating a car that feels like it rolled out of a German engineering facility, precise, powerful, and undeniably sophisticated. The VIP modification style transforms your K5 into a rolling boardroom that commands respect. This approach focuses on creating an executive presence that's both intimidating and elegant. We're installing air ride suspension that allows for that perfect drop while maintaining the ability to raise the car for practical driving. The wheel setup features large diameter chrome or black luxury wheels, typically 20 to 22 inches, with low profile tires that create that stretched look. Window tinting is crucial here. We're going for that mysterious, executive vibe. The exterior gets subtle body modifications like a front lip, side skirts, and rear spoiler, all designed to enhance the car's natural lines without being overly aggressive. Inside, we're talking about premium leather seats with massage functions, custom wood grain or carbon fiber trim, upgraded sound system with subwoofers, and ambient lighting that creates that first-class atmosphere. It's about making every drive feel like a VIP experience. When budget isn't a concern, the K5 becomes a canvas for automotive artistry. This is where we throw conventional wisdom out the window and create something that's never been seen before. We're talking about full custom bodywork that might include wide-body fender flares, custom front and rear bumpers, and potentially even chopped roof modifications. The suspension system could be a fully custom air ride setup with individual wheel control, paired with custom forged wheels that are specifically designed for this build. Engine modifications might include turbocharger upgrades, internal engine work, and even engine swaps for those truly ambitious builds. The paint job becomes a work of art. Think color-changing paint, intricate graphics, or even custom airbrushed designs. Interior modifications could include full custom upholstery, custom dashboard fabrication, and integrated technology that rivals luxury supercars. What would you do with an unlimited budget? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments below. Yes, you can turn a K5 into an adventure machine. This modification style completely reimagines what a sedan can be, transforming it into a capable overlanding vehicle. We're starting with a lift kit that raises the ground clearance by 2 to 3 inches, paired with all-terrain tires mounted on rugged wheels designed for off-road use. The body gets protective modifications like skid plates, rock sliders, and reinforced bumpers that can handle trail obstacles. A roof rack system allows for carrying camping gear, kayaks, or bikes, while additional lighting includes LED light bars and fog lights for night adventures. The interior receives waterproof seat covers, rubber floor mats, and additional storage. Solutions for camping equipment. Don't forget the recovery gear, tow straps, a portable winch, and emergency supplies. Sure, it might look unusual, but imagine the conversations you'll start at the campground. Have any of you tried modifications on a sedan? Share your experiences in the comments. We'd love to hear your adventure stories. K5 modification lies in its versatility and your personal vision. Whether you're drawn to the ground-hugging stance of JDM culture, the raw power aesthetic of muscle cars, the refined performance of Euro tuning, the executive presence of VIP style, the unlimited creativity of extreme customs, or the adventure-ready capability of off-road builds, your K5 can become whatever you dream it to be. Remember, the best modification is the one that reflects your personality and meets your driving needs. Start with one style element that speaks to you. Plan your budget carefully, and don't be afraid to mix elements from different styles to create something uniquely yours. That's a wrap on today's K5 modification journey. If this video inspired your next project, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest builds. Like this video if we've earned it, and drop a comment telling us which modification style caught your eye. Until next time, keep building, keep dreaming, and keep it steel and style. Peace out, Garage family.